So today I had an urge to um, redo this one. I didn't do much on this side, maybe trace some lines better with ink. But there's you see the crow right there on the shoulder. This area still kind of creeps me out a little bit. You can see the face there. I said that looked like a child without ears or eyes, but it could always be a hand. It doesn't look like one, but I guess I'm going to stick with what I saw. There's a bit of a cat head right there. And it kind of turns into that person's head there. It seemed to me like there were feathers coming down, or part of the headdress came down onto the eyes. So when I turn it this way, it looks like gritting the teeth, looking up. I heard something about, I can't remember where I heard it from, but they said that the male effigies look down, whereas women look up, but I don't know if that's true. I just think that's the same person. Sometimes it looks like that's the face right there, but I see this as the nose here. And then if you look at it, there's an animal this would be the ear. You see the cat head right there with the eye under my finger. Mouth, it's like sitting up on its haunches. It's kind of the same thing on this side. So I took the paint off of this side. I'm just going to go through this really quick. So there's the human face looking to the left. There's an animal head looking to the left there with the teeth right by my thumb. You can see a face that way. My kid stomps very loud. I just noticed this. It's like a bear with its paws around its nose. You see the ear here, and there's a paw right there. It's the animal head with the nose here and the teeth there, eye there, ear. Let's see, did I get it all? You can see the animal sitting up, facing the right. And this is really cool. I don't think I found another one that's just quite as dynamic as this. Oh yeah, I think there's an animal. Yeah, the animal there, ear, nose right there. You see the tooth of this lion thing here. But then you turn it up. That's kind of a weird effigy looking to the left. All right. Peace out.